Alright, I just wanted to give you a quick glance at what this looks like up close. It's still wet, so it's not going to be the easiest to see. But as you can see where I took that little stick and kind of made wispies on the flowers, kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic, I guess. The focus isn't the greatest here, so I apologize. But you can see where I use that stick to kind of pull things out a little bit. Make it look a little bit more like flowers, I guess. But there's a kind of a bird's eye view. But I will, this one reminds me of a flower like, God, the focus is horrible. A flower that like a hummingbird would go into or something. Yeah, so anyway, I got lots of things rolling around in my head of what I will do different. But I mean, I like it. It's different, and we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. That's the big question. What will it look like dry? So I'll take a picture of it or maybe video it up close when it dries so you can see what it looks like. And sorry that the recorder cut out on me on the video, but I'm sure it was getting a little boring anyway with me using my stick to kind of play with things. So it worked out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.